Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making seared Cajun-Butter Salmon. Now this recipe is super easy and quick. I'm just showing you some ingredients that I am using. I mix my own Cajun seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder, and I also have some parsley with olive oil. I'm just going to sprinkle a little olive oil on my salmon, and I'm going to brush it on to make sure it's evenly spread out. And make sure you flip your salmon over and do that to the other side as well. And now we're going to start seasoning this. Now you will have some seasoning left over. That's fine. You can add more to your liking or just save it for later. And I'm going to brush and push in that seasoning. That way I can ensure that it's sticking well and it doesn't really, come off as it's cooking in the pan. So like I said, flip the other side over and season that side as well and do the same steps. I will have everything listed down below in the description box. Just spraying a little oil on it to make sure those seasonings stick in really good. Okay, I'm letting my salmon come to room temperature. That's the best way to cook it. I'm going to add some olive oil to a preheated skillet. I am using a cast iron. I feel like it gives it just the best flavor. So that's what I do recommend. I'm spraying a little olive oil as well. Now, once your oil is preheated, I'm testing my oil with a little bit of water. I'm going to go ahead and drop in my salmon. My heat is on a medium temperature. And I'm going to sear this for about 5 minutes each side, and then I'm going to check the temperature. And you can sear it to your liking. Now, I use the pure Irish butter. I just love the flavor. It's just a real butter. I love it. But use any butter that you like. I add a couple tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to let that melt. I'm just checking my salmon to see if it's cooked to my liking. And then I'm going to leave it on there for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and I'm going to flip it over. Be very careful. I recommend using tongs and a spatula just to help maneuver your salmon. I'm adding more butter to the top, and then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley just for additional color. And that's really all you do. Like I said, it's super quick and easy. I love recipes like that. You add it with some rice, a vegetable, or mashed potatoes, anything you like. If you do decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine.